Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download DiDi application on your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Play Store from your Android phone. Now go to the Google Play search box at the top. Type in DiDi and search. Now you will end up in the search results where you will need to tap on the DiDi Request a Ride application from DiDi Global. Once you open up this page, tap on Install to begin downloading the app on your Android phone. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Make sure that you are connected to a stable internet so that you can download the application quicker. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to open the DiDi application on your Android. Agree to the necessary terms and conditions by tapping Agree and then allow necessary permission for the app. And that way you should be able to access your DiDi application. The next thing you'll need to do is to enter your mobile phone number or log in using your social sites and you will be good to go. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.